Assalamu alaikum. I am Tarek Hassan and today I am going to differentiate between the Blink and MIT App Inventor. But before starting this, let's first talk about the IoT trends in 2021, in which we will focus on core needs such as healthcare, safety, floods, and equipment monitoring. But IoT in customer experience will also develop. IoT trends include, first of all, is connectivity chaos, and then connected device makers who will double down on healthcare, and smart building technologies will drive employee transformation, and then IoT trends also include connected machines which will become ubiquitous, and then we have customer and employee location data that will be core to convenience. Let's now talk about the billing, which is IoT based, device based. Arduino and Raspberry Pi is used in this, and Node MCU module is also used in this. We can also add buttons, graphs, text boxes, etc., but can't edit the programming code within the app. For that, we have to write the code and put the code on the destination device. If we are focused on IoT device, then this app can give a nice interface as we can see in the image for our IoT project, where this may fall short in generalized app development. We won't be using billing to make a catalog of plants or our photo gallery, but we can use billing to monitor moisture level of a sensor. So we can see the billing is not used for the generalized app development. For that, we have MIT App Inventor, which is used for generalized app to build projects in IoT device based, which is based on Google's MIT App Inventor is actually based on Google's block click programming language. So all programming is done by dragging various blocks. They look like puzzle pieces around. Basically, MIT App Inventor provides visual programming environment that allows even children to build fully functional apps for smartphones, tablets. So if you are new to MIT App Inventor, don't worry, we can have a simple first app and running in less than 30 minutes. So the block-based tool of MIT App Inventor facilitates the creation of complex, high-impact apps in significantly less than traditional programming environment. So that is all about MIT App Inventor. Thank you.